Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, today I'm gonna teach you a lesson about fanboys. Okay. In this lesson, I'm going to speak English the whole lesson because this is not starter or elementary. This is more than elementary level. Okay. So fanboy, if your level is late elementary or pre-intermediate, it's suitable for you. Okay. So the first question I ask you is, what is fanboys? What is fanboys? Okay. Maybe some of you used to know already what fanboys is. Okay. Let me read for you. The fanboys coordinating conjunction are used to join words, phrases, and clause. Okay. So right now I'm translate for you here. Fanboy ត្រូវបានប្រើប្រាស់ដើម្បីភ្ជាប់ពាក្យ clear ឬក៏ប្រយោគ So it means that you use fanboys to join words, phrases or clause. Okay. But what's the meaning of fanboys? So F stand for, A stand for and, N stand for nor, B stand for but, O stand for or, letter Y stand for yet, and the last letter S stand for so. So fanboys mean for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Okay, there are 5. So their names is conjunctions. Alright. So let me move on to the example. I'm sorry if it is a little bit too small, but I can't make it more than this slide because it's gonna be a little bit hard if like I put them in separate slides. Okay. So that's why I put here all, but I guess if you have a bigger screen, that's going to be okay for you. So let's have a look. F stand for. So I translate for you here. Okay. ដោយសារតែ A and ហើយនឹង N nor ឬក៏បដិសេធ Yeah, it means that you use nor mean ឬក៏ but you use in បដិសេធ sentence. B stand for but ក៏ប៉ុន្តែ O stand for or ឬក៏ but you use in general you use in positive sentence ប្រយោគស្រប Y stand for yet ក៏ប៉ុន្តែភ្ញាក់ផ្អើល Yeah, it means that you use yet the same meaning as but ប៉ុន្តែនៅពេលដែលព័ត៌មាននឹងជាព័ត៌មានដែលភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលជាព័ត៌មានដែលយើងស្មានមិនដល់ we use yet. S stand for so. Okay. So means ដូច្នេះ Okay. ដូច្នេះ Let's have a look at each example. The first example is for. I got the sentence. She studied hard for she wanted to do well on the exam. One more time. She studied hard for she wanted to do well on the exam. Okay. Yeah. So for here mean ដោយសារតែ So she studied hard ដោយសារតែ she wanted to do well on the exam. Okay. What about and? Okay, have a look at and is used in a sentence here. He likes reading books and playing video games. Okay, you can translate by yourself, everyone. He likes reading books and playing video games. What about nor? Nor mean ឬក៏ but used in បដិសេធ She didn't laugh, you see. Didn't laugh is negative sentence. She didn't laugh nor smile during the presentation. Yeah. She didn't laugh nor smile during the presentation. You see, the reason why you don't use or here because it is a negative sentence, so you use nor ចឹងបើន័យថាមិនសើចហើយក៏មិនញញឹមដែរបាទចឹងមិនទាំងពីរ okay right I hope you understand this point moving on to but he wanted to go outside but it started raining he wanted to go outside but it started raining so you use but here បានន័យថាវាផ្ទុយបាទប្រយោគហ្នឹងគាត់ចង់ទៅក្រៅប៉ុន្តែដោយសារតែអាកាសធាតុហ្នឹងអត់អំណោយផល it started raining វាចាប់ផ្ដើមភ្លៀងអូខេអញ្ចឹងប្រយោគពីរហ្នឹងវាផ្ទុយគ្នាបាទន័យថាវា contrast okay or do you want pizza or pasta for dinner do you want pizza or pasta for dinner okay and yet let me explain you this point she worked hard yet she still couldn't finish on time she worked hard yet she still couldn't finish on time okay កន្លែងនេះបានន័យថានាងខំប្រឹងប្រែងធ្វើការប៉ុន្តែនាងនៅតែមិនអាចបញ្ចប់កិច្ចការនឹងទាន់ពេលវេលាអញ្ចឹងព័ត៌មាននេះវាជាព័ត៌មានដែលភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលពីព្រោះអីនាងខំណាស់ខំធ្វើការណាស់លទ្ធផលវាគួរតែនាងបញ្ចប់បានទាន់ពេលប៉ុន្តែគួរឲ្យភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលនាងខំប៉ុណ្ណឹងហើយនៅតែមិនបានចប់on time ទាន់ពេលដូច្នេះយើងប្រើ yet កន្លែងនេះយើងអត់ប្រើ but ដោយសារតែ but វាប្រើសម្រាប់ប្រយោគពីរផ្ទុយគ្នាដល់ពេល yet វាផ្ទុយហើយវាភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលបាទវាគួរឲ្យ surprise okay what about so the last one he missed the bus so he walked to school okay he missed the bus ដូច្នេះ he walked to school all right so this is the usage and the example of fanboys should you have any question you can comment below I still have some exercise for you to practice here combine the sentences using appropriate fanboys it doesn't mean you have to use all the fanboys you just learned today you can use some and yeah some of them example she likes chocolate she dislikes vanilla okay so there are two sentences here she likes chocolate is one sentence she dislikes vanilla is one sentence so you have two sentences now you can connect it you can make it into one sentence using one of the fanboys this is one example I give you she likes chocolate but she dislikes vanilla okay so maybe you can stop this video now and you can spend a few minutes doing number 2 until number 7 and I'm going to show you the answer after a few minutes so stop the video now and start doing the exercise okay everyone so now after a few minutes I'm going to show you the answer here so let's see the answer together don't worry if you can't get all correct but I expect you to get most of them correct yeah so if you can't get them correctly don't worry you can just study more number 1 has been done let's see what about 2 number 2 what do you use he wants to go swimming he doesn't know how to swim okay so you use yet okay so the information is surprising he wants to go swimming yet he doesn't know how to swim it is surprising right and number 3 they have a dog and they have a cat number 4 Sarah is tired what do you have here and but so okay so you have but you use but because this sentence is contrast the sentence ផ្ទុយគ្នា okay Sarah is tired but she wants to finish her work. And number 5, he studied hard. He failed the test. Very good. He studied hard, yet he failed the test. And number 6, they went to the park and they went to the museum. Jane doesn't like coffee. Okay, what do you have the last one? Okay, so you use but. Jane doesn't like coffee, but she enjoys tea. You see these two sentences contrast each other. Jane doesn't like coffee, that's one idea. She enjoys tea is another idea. So, វាផ្ទុយគ្នាកាលណាប្រយោគពីរផ្ទុយគ្នាវាមានន័យផ្ទុយគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើ but yeah បើសិនជាយើងនិយាយទៅថា yet ហើយនឹង but វាស្ទើរតែដូចគ្នាបើគាត់ថាខុសគ្នាបន្តិចត្រង់ថា yet ព័ត៌មានវាជាព័ត៌មានដែលភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលបាទវាមិនត្រឹមតែផ្ទុយគ្នាទេប៉ុន្តែវាជាព័ត៌មានដែល surprising information ជាព័ត៌មានដែលភ្ញាក់ផ្អើល Okay, so that's the answer of the exercise. I hope you get most of them correct. Okay, that's all for this lesson, everyone. So if you like the video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to like and comment if you have any. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.